Welcome back. In this video, I'll bring you together with me and my wife in the Dolomites trip that we had last end of May, beginning of June, in a season that should have been a lot warmer than it ended up being. So we had to fight with cold, snow, and ice, but it was still worth it, and we don't regret choosing this period of the year. Stay tuned, and you'll see why. Our first destination in this trip was Passo Rolle over San Martino di Castrozza, and while driving we realized how bad was the situation after last October storm that destroyed an incredible amount of trees after days of rain and strong winds. We arrived on site late in the evening at Passo Rolle, and it was dark and snowing and cold, and weather forecast for the day after didn't look good at all, so we didn't plan for any sunrise, and we just decided to take it easy and plan for an easy hike in the morning after. The destination we chose is not far from Passo Rolle, and it's called Laghetti di Colbricon, or Colbricon Lakes if you want to say it in English. And the hike to get there is easy, it's short, no difficulties around the trail, with the only exception that we found an amount of snow that we did not expect, which made it a little bit more complicated, but at the same time more rewarding when we got in place. When we got to our destination, it was almost lunchtime, but it was cloudy, so I decided to shoot because, when it's so cloudy, doesn't matter too much what time of the day you're shooting. You know it's going to be cloudy and flat. So I took my tripod out and I shot the shot that I'm just about to show you, and I'm really happy with it. The reflections made the shot. After lunch, during the afternoon, the evening, and the following morning, there was no chance for photography because it was pouring rain without any break. So we decided to wander around and without taking pictures and just see the area, have a look at what was around, and just enjoy without stressing out for photography. When we got to Passo Severino, we decided to stop because we saw the indication of a lake located nearby, and since it wasn't raining, despite the cloud being really black above us, we decided to walk to the lake and try to get a picture, or in worst case, just enjoy the view and relax. Happy with the picture we took, and since weather was turning not good but a little bit better, we decided to hike towards Baita Segantini, which is located right below the Pale di San Martino, because we hoped that we would be able to assist to a spectacular sunset over the Pale. Despite a few flashes of good light while we were hiking towards Baita Segantini, the sunset we hoped for didn't really happen. Once we got there, basically no sun came out of the clouds. However, the morning after, the magic finally happened as a wonderful sunrise hit the mountains, allowing us to capture a picture that we're really proud of. After a couple of days of wandering around, either driving or trekking, we finally had another good chance for photography when we got to Passo Falzarego for sunset and then to Passo Giao. The combination of snow, moody clouds and warm sunset light allowed us to photograph iconic locations such as the Marmolada, the Averao and the Cinque Torri in a way that gives justice to the majesty of these places.